I want to see some heat. That's it. Let's see. Is this? Hold on a second. What it dooski YouTube? It's your boy Mind Malcolm checking in with the first video of the new year. And obviously, I had to start with a banger because, you know, starting the new year off on the right foot is exactly how we're rocking on this channel. So I hope you had a good new year, and I'm actually filming this in 2021. So technically, you're watching this in the future. And if the title hasn't given away already, I actually bought a mystery box for $1,000, that's right, for your viewing pleasure to see what they're really about, if I'm gonna get scammed, if I'm gonna come up in a big way, really just to save you money, and I'll be the scapegoat for this episode. So with that being said, make sure to hit the like button if you enjoy the content, subscribe if you're new, and I hope you had a good new year. But without further ado, let's get into it, man. This is the box worth $1,000, and honestly, it's not that big, so I'm already kind of worried. I spent $1,000 on this. It sounds like clothes. Before I open this box, it's important to give you some context. I actually bought this box back on Boxing Day from a consignment store in Toronto called Rerun.To. They have a lot of sneakers, hyped apparel, if you will, and everything in between. To me, it looked like a good deal just because of the variety of stuff on their site. However, looking at this box, I don't think there's shoes in here, unfortunately, which is fine. I like clothes just as well. And there was also a thing they had on the recent Instagram post that they were giving away a trip to Jamaica. They were giving away a couple of PS5s, and they're also giving away gift cards. So fingers and toes crossed, I'm about to come up on a W. For those of you who've been rocking me for a minute, you know that I'm not really the biggest reseller. Nothing against reselling at all, making money, I totally understand. So with that being said, when I ordered this box, it actually allowed me to choose my own sizes, whether that was for footwear, pants, and outerwear / shirts. But if it all turns out just being stuff that I don't like, the first place you're gonna find it is on Instagram. So make sure to follow me at Mind Malcolm on Instagram to get the first sneak peek at this upcoming sale, if it comes to that. And just to catch up with what I've been doing off of YouTube. And as per usual, I have my trusty unboxing knife from the homies over at Rerun.To. They gave this to me a couple of years ago, and actually at the start of the quarantine, and this box has seen a lot of heat, so hopefully we're gonna keep the momentum going today. So let's open this thing up. And I'll give you guys a sneak peek before I even look, so you can see my real-time reaction. What do you see in there? So this actually looks like more of a mystery bag than a mystery box. So I'll take this bag out. Let's see, man. Once again, I'll show you a preview, and we'll pull them out one by one, and I'll tally up the total prices of things somewhere on the screen. Ultimately, we're starting back from $1,000 in the hole. So a couple of shirts in here. Feels like 6 or something, which is sick. Put the bag like this actually so you can't see. So first one is a Essentials tee in an extra large, but I think these go for a couple $100. Essentials tee, dead stock, not bad. Pretty plain, regular. I have a bunch of hoodies from Essentials and sweat shorts, so a tee ain't that bad, and it has a raised print graphic. I ain't mad at that. I think that should be like $100 or like $150 or something. Number 2, let's see. And this is really scary, man, because it's literally like putting my head into a secret cage. It looks like some more Essentials. Essential shorts, let's go. I do like Essential shorts a lot. I have 2 pairs right now, and this is from the latest drop. I think it's in this. Kind of looks green to me in that sage green colorway. Let's see what it is. Size medium, so I'm definitely keeping these for sure. These are brand new, which is sick. Essential sweat shorts, like these a lot. These are going for the same price. They retail for like $180 Canadian, so I think I'm already like, my math could be completely wrong right now, by the way, but I think I'm probably like $300 or so up already, back in the green. And I want to keep these for sure, because I like this colorway a lot, and I didn't have a chance to buy them myself. Number 3, I want to see some heat this time. Send me your good vibes, please, because I need to see a banger. Because at this point, I'm getting general release stuff that I could have bought for retail at the time, and I'm getting kind of worried, man, because I spent $1,000 on this, so I want to see some heat. That's it. All right, so for number 3, let's see. Is this? Hold on a second. This is an off-white tee. Hold on a second. But this is some off-whizzle. This is mainline. This is a Futura off-white tee. Hey, yo. Oh, buddy. This is sick, man. I've seen this before only online. I'm not the biggest graphic tee guy anymore, but this is definitely a special piece, and I'm gonna put the value up on the screen. I'm assuming this is expensive. Definitely not something you see every day, and I believe it's brand new. And for sizing purposes, it looks like they actually have this listed as size small. So from what I've heard from off-white tees, I don't have any, they fit extremely large. So this apparently should fit an XL person, which is the size I am. So hopefully it fits well. And what the heck is this long ass string, bro? What the? Hey, yeah, I'll figure that out after, man. Judging from the thinness of this bag, I think we're about halfway through. And if my calculations are correct, I think we should be somewhere around 400 to 450 bucks in terms of money made back. So let's see what else is in here, and hopefully we can make some more money back. So this looks like a white tee off the rip. What is this? Oh, a Rerun t-shirt. Cool merch. Shout out to Rerun. So far, this bag has not been disappointing, but I'm gonna need to see some heat. So thanks for this. Appreciate that. This will go as $5, for example. Maybe $10. Back to the bag. So this is it smells like New York. You know why? We have some V-Lone, man. V-Lone tees are expensive, actually. I don't really rock them myself, but nevertheless, they definitely have a time and place. Yeah, a V-Lone tee in black, size XL. I think this is maybe new or slightly used. For those of you who don't know, V-Lone's actually a brand by the ASAP member called Bari, and they used to have a big resurgence a couple of years back. Nowadays, you won't see it as much, but it definitely had some hype back in the day. Black V-Lone tee, not bad. I'm gonna assume that's like probably like 150 bucks or $200. After that latest t-shirt, I think we should be somewhere around the $700 range. And it feels like there's only like one thing in here, maybe two. Can't really tell. But let's pull it out. Okay. So last thing in here, we have a fresh in the bag Bape crew neck. I used to be a huge fan of Bape. I remember back when I was like, I think on my 19th birthday or like 22nd birthday, one of the two, a couple years back, I had a Bape tee and I was so hyped that I got it. I spent like $100 on it, and everything's coming full circle now. So now I have a new in the bag. Sick Bape bag, by the way. Shark head crew neck. But this is size medium, so that's kind of weird because I asked for extra large. Japanese stuff fits historically small, so this ain't gonna fit me. One of you is probably gonna have to take this. But we have the crew neck here. Super sick. Iconic brand. I used to like it more back in the day, but with that being said, I gotta give credit where it's due. This is sick, and I would assume this is going for like $250, if not somewhere in the 300 range. And I think that's it in terms of the bag, man. So yeah, this bag is empty. With that being said, honestly, I'm pretty underwhelmed. I spent $1,000. I saw what was on the site. I got the highest paying mystery box on there. But it goes to show, with mystery boxes, you'll never know what you're gonna get. I pulled like, what, 6 items? And I only got one thing that I really would actually wear in there, unfortunately. The real reason behind this video was I wanted to give you a glimpse into what would happen if a random person like you or I were to buy a mystery box without being seeded or gifted it, and to really get into the odds of pulling some heat. And unfortunately, 1 out of 6 isn't very good odds, so I would not recommend to do any mystery box. But with that being said, I think by the end of this, when I tally everything up, hopefully I'm able to break even on this box, but I don't think there's much profitability, at least from this brand. So I would say, if you're thinking about it, if you're on the fence, just take that $1,000 and buy a couple of things instead of putting it into a mystery grab. But anyways, question for you. Given what I just showed you, and given that you're actually given the chance to pick something of higher value, would you rather take that $1,000 and buy something that you know, maybe like 1 or 2 items, or take that $1,000 and get a mystery box with a chance to get a grail or 2 in that? And don't let my kind of video skew your opinion, but I just want to use this as an informative piece, because I just got shorted from that, which is straight, but everything else I'm probably going to sell, which is cool too. So keep a lookout for those steals. But that's about it for today's video. Appreciate the love, appreciate the support as per usual. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe if you're new, and I look forward to releasing many videos this year, and there's many things on the horizon. And actually, I already have a pickup from last year too. I had to pick these up. Ain't gotta say too much. I'm not a patent leather guy, but the bread colorway goes crazy, man. But yeah, that's about it for today. Appreciate the love, appreciate the support.